roasted Brussels sprouts, cauliflower and garlic mash, and cinnamon apples with a caramel sauce. Hi everyone, it's Jan Diatri, and whether it's the holidays or everyday meals, here are 3 dishes that add all of the flavor and none of the guilt, and that's clean eating the Red Mountain way. Brussels sprouts have found a way into our hearts as a favorite heart-healthy vegetable. They're low in carbs and calories, high in fiber, and a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. For this dish, all you need is a little salt and a calorie-free dressing. Today, I'm mixing a fruity balsamic with a little hot sauce for a sweet and spicy glaze. I've cut the Brussels sprouts in half and then brushed that glaze right over the top, then sprinkled with a little sea salt. Roast in the oven for about an hour to get that beautiful charred flavor, and just look at this heart-healthy plate of goodness. If you love mashed potatoes, you're gonna love an even healthier version using cauliflower, which is lower in carbs and calories than potatoes, with lots of vitamins and nutrients. I'm adding 2 cloves of minced garlic, salt, and chives for garnish. I've cut the cauliflower into pieces, then instead of boiling, I'm steaming them in a steam basket to retain all of the nutrients. While the cauliflower is steaming, spray a skillet with 0-calorie cooking spray and cook the garlic for just a few minutes to soften, making sure not to burn the garlic, which will impart a bitter taste. Once the cauliflower is steamed, add it to a food processor, along with the sautéed garlic and a teaspoon of salt. Blend it up for a smooth texture, and that's it. A rich tasting and super nutritious cauliflower mash with a sprinkling of chives on top. Finally, the perfect dessert. A large crisp apple, some 0-calorie brown sugar, cinnamon, and a smooth and rich caramel sauce that's sugar-free, calorie-free, and fat-free. Peel and dice the apple and add it to a skillet with 0-calorie cooking spray. Then add 2 teaspoons of the brown sugar and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Give it a stir to combine, and then cook just until the apple cubes are softened. Spoon them into a dessert dish, and then drizzle that delicious caramel sauce right over top. Sweet and spicy glazed Brussels sprouts, cauliflower and garlic mash, and apples with caramel sauce. 3 delicious dishes for healthy eating the Red Mountain way. For more great recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.